by default we're in object mode, and right here we can change our modes to whatever we want based on what we're wanting to do. I'm going to spend a lot of time in edit mode. Our layout tab is basically set up for us to set our scenes up, and if you look over here we have a modeling tab. Now when you click on it, it automatically drops you into edit mode. That's how it's set up. If we hit tab and we jump to a different workspace and then we jump back into modeling mode, it's going to turn us back into edit mode. So whatever item is selected, right? So if we don't have anything selected, it's going to take the only object in the scene. If we have another object, let's go ahead and add. So we can just come right up here to add, mesh, sphere. And I'm just going to move that. Right. I'm going to deselect. I'm going to go to modeling. So it's the last selected item that I had. Right? See how that works? We'll spend a lot of time in our modeling tab. We'll also spend a lot of time in our UV editing tab. Once we have some UV maps, we can texture paint, and then we'll set up our materials as well. For the most part, we're going to focus heavy on these. So we'll just jump back into the layout tab.